Hello, my name is Ben, and on this YouTube channel I document my own print-on-demand journey. Well, I started my print-on-demand business 2.5 months ago in middle of November 2020, and I just wanted to give you a quick update video because this channel is really about documenting my own print-on-demand journey. And, I created it to, first of all, hold myself accountable, to document my journey, but also to share my learnings and my successes and also my mistakes. So today, after just about 2.5 months and end of January, pretty much, there are still a few days to go. I wanted to give you an update on my best selling, the marketplace, which works best for me. And this one is Spreadshirt. Surprisingly, actually, because honestly, not so many people talk about Spreadshirt. It's actually the first marketplace I registered on. But, shortly after that, I registered on Redbubble as well, which doesn't really work for me. And Amazon Merch, it's a bit slow because of tier 25 I'm currently in. So I can't really list a lot of designs. And also the other marketplaces I'm listing on, they are slow compared to Spreadshirt. So I just wanted to show you where I am after just 2.5 months. As you can see here, this compares 2020 to 2021. So I didn't make any sales, I think, in November, but in December 2020, I had 8 sales, which I was quite happy about because, after just about a month, really, I made my first sales. So that's good already. And then as you can see already in January, even though January isn't really over, I've already made 20 sales. And I'm so happy about this because, it actually is supposed to be quite a slow month. So that's one thing. It's a slow month. Then you can already see it's growing compared to December. And December is, actually going to, supposed to be the big month, even though I was probably a bit late for Christmas. But I probably had a few Christmas sales. Well, and then January is obviously supposed to be a bit slower, but I kept uploading designs every day. In Spreadshirt, they give you a daily limit of 20 designs. But, I think because they put this restriction of 20, and they also say that you shouldn't upload a series of designs, so you should really upload unique designs, that sort of helped me to create better designs and more unique designs and might eventually have led to more sales. And, 20 already in January, it means pretty much that they are now selling every day. So every day I get a sale pretty much because in the beginning of January, as you might imagine, it was a bit slower than now, so it starts to pick up. And if we look at, let's say here, the last 30 days, as you can see in the first days of January, there was nothing. Well, then I had 3 sales on the 4th of January. Then again, there was nothing until the 7th. And then, it started to pick up from the 17th onwards, where I had 2 sales and another sale the day after that. Then there were a couple of days without a sale, and then again 1 sale and another sale. Then no sale, but then really in this week, I had 1 sale on 24th, then 2 sales, then another sale. And yesterday, it was actually the first day since I started this business that I had 4 sales in a day. And I'm so happy about it because, the weekend is still coming. It's the 28th today. There are still a few more days in January. And I think it's my biggest month so far. And I'm really only the second full month in, I would say, or the third now. But, it just shows that Spreadshirt seems to work for me really well. Now, I'm on Spreadshirt Europe. I'm also on Spreadshirt US, but I actually, with the same designs, I haven't had a single sale on that marketplace yet. And I'm a bit surprised about that, but it just means that designs that work in Europe don't necessarily need to work on the US marketplace. However, no matter where you live, I think you can definitely start listing on Spreadshirt. As you can see, I really didn't think when I started that I would see so many sales already after just a few weeks really. So, and to be honest, the January is supposed to be the slow month. So I expect that February will be much bigger and March as well. And hopefully it will pick up and, increase going forward. So I've also, I have this Excel list here, which shows you the royalties I've been paid. So I downloaded this straight from Spreadshirt. And as you can see here, this is the customer price, whatever they paid. And as you can see, basically they came from Ireland, Germany, all my customers, Finland, Spain, Italy, Poland, Austria, again, Germany, Sweden. It's really across Europe. A few of from the United Kingdom as well. That was back in December, but really across Europe. And well, the exciting thing is, I mean, the earnings here, these are the royalties that I get paid. Now, the exciting thing is that if you take the total here from January, I mean, this is £62. This is $85. And I still have a few days to go and expect a few more sales. So I might actually, after just 2.5 months or just in January, I expect there already $100 in royalties of just one platform. And I think this is so good. I mean, if Spreadshirt.com and like Redbubble were working, the same way for me, I'd already make $300. And I guess I just need to keep posting designs, creating new designs every day. And then I will see these marketplaces work for me as well. So if you have any questions, let me know. I hope you liked the video. If you did, then please smash the like button. It would really be appreciated. And if you're interested in learning more about my print-on-demand journey, then please subscribe to the channel. I am committed to share my learnings and my successes and also my mistakes. And I try to publish a video every day because I just enjoy it, to share my, my successes, my mistakes and learnings. And also enjoy making these videos and to motivate others, because this clearly shows that it works. I mean, there's so many. I mean, 2.5 months or 3 months ago, I didn't even know about all of this business model, and it just started, and it just seems to work. So it's just amazing. So yeah, hopefully you liked it, and see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.